Welcome. If you're looking to clean up your Instagram profile and get rid of old highlights from your activity, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to delete highlights from your activity on Instagram, making sure your profile stays just the way you want it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the menu icon. That's the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner. Give that a tap. From the menu, select your activity. This section is where Instagram keeps track of everything you've done, from posts you've shared to interactions you've had. Scroll down until you see the Content You Shared section. Under this, you'll find an option labeled Highlights. Tap on Highlights to move to the next step. Now, you'll see a list of all the highlights you've created and shared. To delete any of these, tap on Select in the top right corner. This will allow you to choose one or multiple highlights that you want to remove from your activity. Once you've selected the highlights you want to delete, look for the Delete button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and Instagram will ask you to confirm your choice. Confirm by tapping Delete again, and just like that, those highlights will be removed from your activity. That's it. You've successfully deleted highlights from your activity on Instagram. Keeping your profile organized and up to date is now easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips on managing your social media accounts. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.